Hi, this is Melinda with Martin Publishing Services, and it's mail time. Today I'm unwrapping a book I worked on with author Grant Vassos called My Friend the Marshmallow Man. All right, so I'm going to finish opening that up. Grant lives in Canada, but he was able to ship these from New York. I don't know what his secret was. Maybe he drove across the border. Okay. Oh, that's nice packaging. Not every author sends me a copy of a book. Very few of them actually do, so I always appreciate it when the authors take the time and the extra expense to mail me a copy. So this is My Friend the Marshmallow Man, written by Grant Vassos and illustrated by Michelle Simpson. Here's the back cover. And Grant did do a short run. Oh my goodness. To Melinda, thank you for making this book happen. Teamwork makes the dream work. Aw, that's one of my favorite sayings. Oh, look how nice. Oh, exclamation points. Thank you for all your hard work and precision in bringing my story to life. You once told me a while back that the journey is the destination, and though it may have taken longer than I anticipated when I began this process, I'm incredibly proud of how our book turned out in the end, and I'm very grateful to have had you on my publishing team. All the best, Grant. So when Grant came to me, his illustrator had already done the illustrations, which I'm selective in which clients I accept at that stage, but the art was really good and it just needed some corrections, and then he wanted to sit with some of the story for a bit, and life happens, and ordered a print proof, make more changes. So children's books do usually take longer than first anticipated. Even though it has the fewest number of pages, it is the most difficult type of book to do well. All right, so let's get started. This book here, these are the end sheets from the printer. Instead of doing self ends, which is a pattern page that's printed on the same, or it doesn't have to be a pattern, it can be whatever, but it's printed on the same type of paper, and then it's glued to the cover. For this, we used end sheets, and then the book block is glued to the end sheet. And the printer provided a link to showcase all of the different colors we had available to us, and we thought this nice blue would work well, and it does. Looks great. Okay. And then all the beautiful art. So like on a few of the places, I had to have the illustrator open up more room for text, which is very common. Extremely common. But the colors are vibrant. You're not going to get this type of vibrancy with print on demand. I'm not sure. I believe this was a short run digital, not offset. I can't remember off the top of my head. So yeah. And I don't want to give away the ending. Let's flip to, so this is the about the author and illustrator page here, and you can see like this when the book is bound with end sheets, like that is where the book block, this is the book block, the story is the book block, and it is glued to the end sheet, and then the end sheet is glued to the hardback part of the book. So anyway, I'm very blessed to have been a part of this project. It turned out beautifully. Grant is a young gentleman working hard to get his message out there, inspired by his time at camp. And he is on Instagram, I believe, just under Grant Vassos. So if you want to support him, get out there and locate him and buy his book. All right, and thank you, Grant. Thank you for trusting me with your business. Okay, bye-bye.